sleek and expressive design of the front panel for the new Vans Quiet Mild fan brings a sense of spaciousness spacing. The simple geometry and clear lines of the fan makes it a perfect match for any interior design. The casing and the impeller are made of high quality and durable UV-resistant plastic. The specially profiled aerodynamic impeller provides high airflow and low noise operation. The outlet spigot includes special air rectifiers to reduce air turbulence and operation noise and boost airflow. The fan equipped with a specially constructed backdraft damper to prevent air backflow and heat losses during the fan standby. The fan is mounted directly in the ventilation shaft and is operated with a room light switch. Modern design, a rich color palette, a pleasant design look on one side, and powerful air capacity combined with the low operation noise on the other side create the ideal microclimate in your bathroom. Vans, fresh air in your house.